Alright, so today I want to talk to you about some of the hidden costs of home ownership. So one of the hidden costs of home ownership that most people know is actually maintenance. After you purchase a home, you'll want to save up for unexpected costs or repairs, such as like a leaky faucet, replacing the roof, maybe your heater breaks down. But one thing you can be sure of is that things will break down over time. The next point is property taxes. Property taxes are actually based off the purchase price of your home. So after your first year of homeownership, your property taxes will actually increase. A hidden cost that most buyers are aware of but don't know the true cost that they're actually paying is actually interest. In fact, the majority of your mortgage payment is actually going to be applied towards interest rather than your principal payment. So in conclusion, these are just a few of the many hidden costs to home ownership. With purchasing being one of the biggest investments most people make in their lifetime, this is why it's so important to consider all these hidden costs into the purchase price of your home. And not only that, but it's also important to work with a buyer specialist that's not only going to advocate for you during this transaction, they can also help you decide if this is going to be a good investment for you and your family.